Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to download TikTok Now on Android. Now the way you can do this is actually going to your Play Store right here, and you can go actually here and type in TikTok Now, right? Now you can also do this within the TikTok app, but I would suggest just having a simple app like TikTok Now and then install it, right? And then once you install it, obviously you hit install, and you will be able to install TikTok Now on Android. Now, TikTok Now is also available as a standalone app and is also available within the TikTok app platform, right? So if you want to go and if you want to install it like, standalone app, this is the way to do it. Now, if you want to go to TikTok, make sure to update your TikTok, and then within the TikTok, you will be able to see TikTok Now as well. So as you can see right now, we install the app and then we can open the app right here, as you can see. And here, as you can see, we have a couple of sounds. We can click start, and then here we can log in or sign up with TikTok, right? So with TikTok, we can connect to TikTok Now, and then that's pretty much it. So that's basically how to download TikTok Now on Android, as well as on iPhone as well. It's really simple, really self-explanatory. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.